You love Barbie, right? Meet your new friend. A Barbie brush, a unicorn with eyeliner, LOL perfume, an eyeshadow dress, and an EOS head? Our new video is full of ideas about how to turn makeup into doll accessories. And check out even more interesting ideas on our brand new channel, Woohoo! Follow the link in the description. Dolls Incorporated is in a panic. Sales are dropping. The managers are in a crisis. We need new ideas, stat! Professor, you are so imaginative. Come up with something, please. Calm down, ladies. Get out of my lab. You are interfering with my work. I'll make a new product for you. Take an old Ever After High doll without hair. Trace an EOS lid on the doll's head. Cut out an opening and glue an EOS inside. Cut a circle out of foam paper and glue it onto the EOS, making a hat with a wide brim. Decorate the hat with a ribbon and beads. Stretch out the brim of the hat with your fingers. Draw short hair on the doll's head using acrylics. Cover everything with acrylic polish. Ooh, what's this? Here, this popular blogger can figure it out. Yay, it worked! We are coming up with ideas on the go. What if we take a cocktail umbrella and turn it into an eyeshadow brush? Cover the handle of an eyebrow styling brush with pink nail polish. Color a lacy paper napkin with a pink marker. Fold the napkin into segments. Glue toothpicks along the bent lines. Glue the brush into the middle. That'll be the umbrella handle. Color the ends of the toothpicks with pink nail polish. Put a protective straw on the bristles of the brush. Trim the excess. Wow! A mini umbrella for fixing your eyebrows? I've never had beauty tools like this before! I have some manicure tricks. My Barbie's new sandals will help. Trace Barbie's feet on a nail file. Cut the shapes out with a utility knife. Apply Elmer's glue on the sides and sprinkle them with glitter. Use Superglue to attach lace pieces. Make flip-flop straps. I'll take Barbie's shoes off and file my nails with the soles. I'm all grown up. My doll nail salon is open for business. And Megan is already at the park. She's inspired by music and fun times. Your Barbie doll is missing a stylish accessory. She needs a fanny pack so she can stay trendy. Melt a piece of red lipstick in a round container. Let the lipstick cool. Cover the container with acrylic polish and sprinkle it with glitter. Measure a ribbon along Barbie's belt line. Glue a small clasp along the edge. Attach the container to the belt. Decorate it with a small unicorn figure. Put the fanny pack on Barbie. Barbie carries red lipstick for her owner in her fanny pack. That is so useful! So clumsy! Although, why not combine eyeshadow and a skirt into one beautiful item? Fold a strip of tulle to make a few layers. Thread a needle with thin elastic thread and work the elastic through the tulle. Tie the finished skirt around the doll. Put Barbie into a stand to keep her secure. Hot glue eyeshadow onto the tulle skirt. This skirt palette is from the personal collection of the toy designer Dolls & Gabbana. You can do your makeup with your dolls by your side. Sometimes inspiration comes to me in a dream. I had a dream that Unicorn did my makeup. That's actually a great idea. Cut the long cap off a tube of eyeliner using a heated knife. Draw a round mark on the forehead of a My Little Pony doll. Cut an opening using a utility knife. Take the head off of the body and put the eyeliner tube inside. Hot glue it. Put the head back on. Cover the cap of the eyeliner with light clay. Make a unicorn horn. Remove the excess. Make a spiral pattern using thread. Color the horn with pearly acrylic paint. Cover it with acrylic polish and sprinkle it with glitter. This unicorn has eyeliner instead of a horn. Your makeup will be magical. Finally, I'm on vacation. Oops! My suitcase didn't handle my happiness. But I got a new idea. We'll need EOS brand hand lotion and an old toy car. Remove the wheels from the car. Cut off the fastenings using a heated knife. Glue the fastenings to one side of the lotion container and attach the plastic wheels. Cut apart a protective brush straw. Put a piece of plastic straw into it and glue the two pieces to the back of the lotion. Cut a piece off of a Bendy pencil and glue it as a handle onto the straws. Color the pieces with purple acrylic paint. Attach a Barbie logo made out of pink foam paper to the front of the lotion. Whoa! Look at this! A Barbie suitcase with lotion inside? To keep your hands soft internationally, Barbie will definitely like bringing this stylish travel accessory on adventures. Surprise! I have a present for girls who love LOL dolls and makeup. It's not just a doll, but real LOL perfume. Gather a wide satin ribbon. Make a mini skirt for a bottle of perfume. Glue lace on top. Make an opening a little smaller than the top of the perfume in the head of an old LOL doll. Cover the bottle with a head instead of a cap. Glue on the doll's arms and decorate the hair with a bow. I love this! The LOL doll smells amazing! This is my new favorite toy! And the container from the LOL doll will make a great makeup bag. Color an empty tube-shaped container with spray paint. Print out an LOL doll label on sticker paper and cover the container. Make a cut along the cap line. Decorate the top of the cap with an LOL sticker. My favorite makeup products will look great in here. A cute makeup bag for a cute girl. Testing makeup is important work, but Cindy lost all her makeup brushes. Here, can you look for my brush in my makeup bag? What's Barbie doing in here? That's my new doll brush, of course! Cut the hair off of an old Barbie doll. Take out the rest of the hair using tweezers. Make an opening in the head and insert a makeup brush without a handle. Color the head with acrylic paint. Cut the fluff off of fake fur and glue it onto the doll's head. What an imaginative idea! Barbie is a great makeup artist. We should take a few pics for our beauty blog. I've never met a Barbie with a brush for a head before. Did you like our doll makeup ideas? Comment below how you'll transform your favorite toys into makeup. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new beauty ideas from Troom Troom.